Hello everyone and welcome back to Crypto Atlas. In this video, I'm going to talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you guys are new to the channel, do not forget to hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up like button. It is greatly appreciated if you do that. It helps us out with the search algorithm, and also click the bell icon. Very important that you click the bell icon so that you know whenever we have a new video and you can stay up to date with all the latest cryptocurrency news and technical analysis. Okay, so guys, we hit a new all-time high with Bitcoin, and I want to go over with you today where we should be looking to next for especially Bitcoin. All right, so let's go ahead and hop on over to Twitter. I am on Twitter if you guys want to check me out at CryptoAtlasYT. Feel free to drop me a follow. I retweet a lot of stuff that's going on in the news that's out there. Sometimes I'll voice my own opinion on some stuff as well. So first up we have here from Noah. He says when Bitcoin hits $69,000, he's going to give away some Bitcoin to random people. I don't know if that's actually true or not, but hey, if you guys want to be a part of that, I went ahead and participated in it too. So we'll see if that's actually true in the end or not. More importantly, though, some actual news stuff going on here. So MicroStrategy has acquired 91,579 Bitcoin. That's over $2 billion at an average price of $24,311 per Bitcoin. They're actually going to be doing a little talk here with Vala Afshar. Michael Saylor is currently trying to talk to other people in the industry space, trying to also let them know why Bitcoin is so valuable, one of which he's been talking to in regards to getting his gold sold and getting that converted over into Bitcoin. So a lot of moves going on there. We also have former CIA director. Cases of laundering through Bitcoin remain small compared to the volume of cash laundering through traditional banking systems. So this is being pitched as kind of like a pushback, because you're seeing people like Janet Yellen and other people that just don't seem to really understand Bitcoin yet. They're still ridiculing it and saying that it's being used for illegal things and stuff. It's like you got to compare these things, and you also need to look at the technology behind Bitcoin and why that's so valuable and how that actually helps in fighting against illegal-based activity, right? Not condoning it more, it helps fight against it and monitoring it. All right, so also cool to see Library. That's a separate thing going on, though. That's a different altcoin I'm invested in. $190 million worth of Bitcoin was just moved from Coinbase to cold storage. Another 3,000 Bitcoin taken off the market. That is huge news. That was about an hour ago. Okay, so let's go ahead and hop on over to the charts now. Taking a look at Bitcoin here. Nice rise. As you guys can see, we broke out of this ascending triangle pattern here. And by doing so, we are establishing ourselves. We've got about an hour left on the daily before it closes, but it's more than likely going to be closing above that position, which is absolutely great. As mentioned, we did break above that previous all-time high, which is right about here. So we're looking very good. So on the way up, let's focus on that right now. Our next major level of resistance I would be keeping an eye on, guys, is going to be right about here. This is at $64,500-ish. All right, that's on the Fibonacci sequence. Beyond that, $65,000 is going to play a key psychological level. Beyond $65,000, well, then we're going to be looking at pushing all the way up towards 70K, then 75K. These are basic fundamental positions for sure. And then of course we're going up to the $80,000 mark. So we're basically moving at $5,000 increments, which is, I know it sounds super simple and basic, guys, but that's where we're at with that. Another fundamental that we can actually take a look at right here, I'm going to go ahead and take the discrepancy difference between these points, and this is going to give us a rough figure. We could potentially see a breakout because of what had happened throughout this channel. We had that first move taking place right here back on April 10th out of that zone. So I would be looking at us realistically having to push up to just under $75,000, right? And I just realized I had that previous line right there. So that's going to be just under $75,000. Definitely key level. That's at $73,238. So first major levels, as I'm mentioning, is going to be right here, $64,500. Beyond that, $65,000. Beyond that, at $73,283 respectively. If this decides that it wants to go down, then what I would be keeping an eye on, guys, is going to be a couple levels here. Retracement back down. We do have support being established at the previous all-time high, which was at $61,800. Below that, it's going to be at $61,165. Another level below that is at $60,056. Basically, it's $60,000. That's actually why I set that there. So $60,000 is a level of support. I don't expect in the short term us going much further than that. So I just want to give you guys those key levels to focus on for now. Technical radars are suggesting a strong buy. The RSI is still not even broken out of this channel. It's still not in the overbought territory. And even if it does, it's still got plenty of room to grow. We have plenty of room to grow. I'm not a financial advisor with this stuff, but take a look. We're above the 21 EMA right here quite considerably now. We are super, super bullish, guys. And there's going to be companies that are going to be coming out and they have to disclose their Bitcoin holdings here from the first quarter very soon. And when that happens, what do you think is going to happen? Who's going to be? There's rumors right now about Walmart acquiring Bitcoin. So if they are purchasing that right now, more than likely would hear about that in the third quarter. But that is looking to potentially be a case. Let me know if you guys have heard any rumors of other companies that might be investing into this. So there's lots of opportunities coming forward for sure. We have so much room to grow. It's so funny how I talk to people and they still feel like they missed the boat on this and they haven't invested anything. Like I'm saying, not even $5, $10. And people think that, oh, with the price of Bitcoin, with where it's at, even if I do $10, it won't do anything, this and that. Okay, I'm sorry, but why would you rather hold on to $10 that's going to be worth less if you just keep it as $10 than to have it invested into something that's going up and you say, hey, I want my money back. Well, guess what? Now you got more than $10. Maybe you have $10.50. Maybe you have $11. Doesn't matter. You have more money than what you had before, right? It doesn't make sense. I don't understand why people haven't realized this yet, but that's one of the biggest things that I'm hoping you guys take away from this. Just think about it for a second, right? Like if it's continuously going up and you see more institutional demand, and yes, it could have pullbacks. You buy the dips in these things, but intrinsically by its definition, it is the highest performing asset of all time. Just think of that for a second. Why would you rather have dollars? Anyways, so let's go ahead and take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum is continuing to rise as well, looking absolutely bullish. Hit another all-time high today as well. Beautiful. I love to see this. We have Bitcoin and Ethereum both hitting an all-time high in the same day. I don't even know when the last time that actually happened. To be totally honest with you guys, I don't think it was during this run. I don't even know if that actually happened back in the 2018 period. So to see both assets in the same day do that is really cool. It's so nice and so refreshing to see. Major levels that we're going to see right now, $2,317 was a bounce off of for today. Breaking above that, let's head to $2,400. That actually is very close to the Fibonacci sequence at $2,440. Breaking above that, of course, we have $2,500 and then $100 increments as we work our way up to $3K. And then up next level is going to be about $3,077. Looking absolutely beautiful right now. And as you guys can see, volume is decent, but it's not absolutely insane. In fact, you can see previous days, like back here on April 2nd, we had a nice little push that went up there. And that was more than what we've seen today too. This still has a little bit of time left in the day though, so it might be pretty close. On the way down, we do have support being established at $2,046, of course at 2010. That's on the 21 EMA, and that's very close to the $2,000 increment mark. So I'd really be pushing at $2,000 as looking as a bottom out of this cycle period. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just my opinion. Technical raters are on a strong buy. RSI is looking very bullish, very good. Above the 21 EMA. I mean, so many factors that are leading into this case. More adoption rates coming up. You got the future updates for Ethereum 2.0 that are also supposed to release here in the next couple months. So that's very exciting in addition to everything else. And guys, I will have a separate video today talking about some altcoin stuff. So if you want to check out that video, feel free to do so. Would love for you guys to check it out. I have recent videos like some upcoming coins that are just barely getting started. So if you wished that you could find a little gem that's right there on the ground floor, I found 5 coins that I think have the potential for it. And if you want to learn more about those, you can check out that video. I got other stuff, top picks on Coinbase, and I'll be doing these kind of themed videos, I think, more frequently now. But this video that I'll have for sure up today, I don't think I'll have one that's like that today, is going to be talking about some other altcoins. I got to see what's trending and have that up. I also have a playthrough series on a cryptocurrency game called Decentraland. If you guys want to see that, it's really cool. I got a whole bunch of videos there. I got referral links in the description for Coinbase, Gemini, BlockFi. As an affiliate with BlockFi, you can earn up to $250 in bonus crypto if you use my referral link. So keep that in mind. That's extra money. And then you also got Robinhood and Webull. If you guys want to do some stuff with stocks, you can use my referral link there too. So once again, please don't forget to hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up like button, click the bell icon so that you know when we got a new video. You can stay up to date with all this stuff. Let me know in the comments what you guys think, if you're bullish or bearish on Bitcoin or Ethereum, and why. What you think in the short term we're going to be hitting. I think in the short term, again, it's just my opinion, Bitcoin, I think before the end of the month, we'll be bouncing off of $70,000 and testing that. Hopefully we'll be breaking past that, but before the end of this month, which is 2 weeks, and I think I'm actually being very lax on that. I think we could hit it actually much sooner. But in the next 2 weeks, I think we're going to be testing around 70,000. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next episode.